This tutorial is on how to crop your image to get it ready for the website and finish your art project. All right, first thing you need to do is go to apps like this, and you want to go to this Pixar editor. Chances are you don't have it on yours. And I guess I should mention this. You should be logged in to your Google Sites, not just logged in the computer, but logged into Google Sites with your Google email and all that stuff. If you don't know how to do that, please come ask me. But what you want to do is go to the web store, and I want you to download an app, which you can as a student. You just type in here PIXLR, and then there's one for editor like that, and these are going to come up, and you're going to click this very top one right here at the top. Now I've already added mine, so that's green, but yours will look blue like this one down here, and you want to click on that and then add that to your different apps, and then we're going to click on that and go into the editor, and it's going to ask you, do you want to create a new image, image from the library. We want to open something on the computer, because basically what you're doing is you're taking what's you saved, you photographed in 5th grade and 6th grade in the art room, and we need to get rid of the table and clean it up. So I'm going to go ahead and click on there, and now you want to go to the little, I call these little Wallies guys right here. See, now I don't know if you noticed what I did real quick there. I've messed up 5th graders doing that. I clicked that blue arrow there, and I've gone down, and I'm going to pick the one with your number on it, okay? Do not do what I'm doing right now, but because I'm not logged in as a student, I have to do it this way. But yours will have, your number on the L drive, and so you're going to go to that, and I've used a student's account. And yours will look something like this. It'll have some images that you've photographed in art class, and we really want to make something like this from something like that. So let's say this is the thing that you want to crop and edit. You say, that was a good face painting that I did. So I'm going to take it like this, and maybe the first thing I'm going to do is hit image up here and rotate canvas clockwise, okay? And that'll turn it in the right direction. And I might have to make this just a little bit a little bit longer here. Oh, stop it. There we go. I didn't click well enough. And I'm going to take the crop tool, and hopefully, now this is kind of tilted some. I don't really want to change the proportion on this. I think we'll be all right if I just click on this a little high up there, so I might bring that down just a little bit, get just the image. Yeah, I'm cutting off that edge, I know, but that'll be okay. And I'll click on it. Now that's what I want to save. But this is way big when you put it on the web. This would overtake any web page, because these photographs takes a lot of pixels. So I'm going to click on File here and go to New Image. Now it's really important that the width of this be 200, so it fits on the format that I made for the website. And this can be like 275 would be all right. And then I'm going to say OK. And now we have this here like this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all. And you click here and you go select all. I always do the shortcut, which is Control A over here. And then you get those dancing ants all the way around it. And then I'd put Control C, which is copy. And I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to go to this tool right here. I think that's a little safer. And then I'm going to go Edit, Paste, or Control V. And now it's on my website. And I'm going to make this big like this so that I have lots of room, because the bigger this is, the easier my next step is going to be. So I'm going to click on that like that. And then I'm going to edit free transfer. Transform, excuse me. I hit free transform, and you'll see these blue lines here, and that's just the edge. Like that is, that's just the top corner of the thing. So I need to shorten this. I'm going to put the blue way up there. Now watch how my cursor changes. Like now it's a little X, but when I hit it on the blue, it turns into two lines. And I'm holding the shift button down. That's important that I hold the shift button down, because when I hold the shift button down, it shrinks proportionally. In other words, I don't make it skinny or long. I make it just the right size. I'm going to bring that down here like this, and then you can put this guy up in the corner and make it a little bigger or mess around with that. And I'm going to put that right there like that. And then I'm going to push enter. I'm going to push enter. Now it's the right size. A whole lot smaller than that. I know on the screen it looks about the same, but when you put it on the website, that'll make a big difference. And then I'm going to save that right here on the image save, and it's saved as a JPEG. So I'm just going to type in a name. You can call it art 1 or 2. I've already done a 1 or 2, so I'm going to put just a Q just for fun or something like that. And then push OK, and I'm going to save it. And now it's saved, and I want you to do 2 images. So do this image and another image. And when that's ready, we can watch the video on how to put it on the website.